Born in Trenton and raised in Lawrenceville, Norman Schwarzkopf went on to become one of the most distinguished military leaders of the 20th century. Before he became the very visible commander during the Gulf War, General Schwarzkopf had a distinguished military career, which took him to a high position in the Pentagon. Revered as an officer who would risk anything for the soldiers under his command, Stormin' Norman has been decorated with scores of awards, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the Purple Heart, and France's Legion of Honor. We are proud that his roots are here in the Garden State.